Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about misrepresentation. Section 18 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 aspect takes the contract to as voidable at the option of the party if the consent is obtained by way of misrepresenting the material facts, then it is void. If it is ratified by the party whose consent was obtained by way of misrepresentation, then it will be a valid contract. Under the Indian Contract Act, the concept of misrepresentation is explained in detail. According to it, if any person gives his consent due to the fact that he was furnished with the wrong information about the things, he believes those things and gives his consent. For example, in the case of Mohanlal versus Sri Gangaji Cotton Mills, A heard from somebody that C would become the director of the company and told the same to B, who, on the faith of this information, contracted to buy the shares of the company from A. C did not become the director of the company. Held, B was entitled to avoid the contract. Information of A was not sufficient to warrant his statement, but he did believe that it was true. Hence, it is a case of misrepresentation. There are some effect of misrepresentation, that is section 19 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 says that when consent to an agreement is caused by misrepresentation, the agreement is a contract voidable at the option of the party whose consent was caused. A party to a contract whose consent was caused by misrepresentation may, if he thinks fit, insist that the contract shall be performed and that he shall be put in the position in which he would have been if the representation made had been true. Friends, there is an exception to the section 19 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. If such consent was caused by misrepresentation, the contract nevertheless is not voidable if the party whose consent was so caused had the means of discovering the truth with ordinary diligence. So friends, this is the concept of misrepresentation. In next video we will discuss about the concept of mistake.